Once again at CES, we stopped by OSIM. They are makers of amazing massage chairs, from the UThrone to the ULOVE 3 to the 5 cents. They have a great lineup of amazing massage features, but now they have an even newer one. We're talking about the DIY massage chair. If you can't purchase a full gigantic massage chair and you want to still get the same kind of level of experience, this amazing device has a foot massage you can put at the bottom of your chair, a pad you can place on any chair, and a head unit that you can place on your head that helps massage your face. You can get lost in that experience. Once again, the ULOVE 3 is amazing, great full body massage, stress evaluations as well. And with regards to UThrone, the new model does a great option where instead of having the controller in the arm of the chair, they've removed that and placed that lower on the actual side of the chair, making it less things pulling out as you're moving around and easier to use to basically just find that remote exactly where you need it to activate. If you're looking for a massage chair that does so much, those rollers in the UThrone are so strong, they stick out and they really get in there and work the muscles. Again, hopefully you guys pick up some OSIM products because they are really solid, and we will see you guys next time.